The nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen gas makes up 78% of our atmosphere, and nitrogen is also a part of many molecules essential to life like proteins, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, and some vitamins. Nitrogen is found in alkaloids and urea too. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for all life forms. However, except a few forms of bacteria, life forms are not able to convert the nitrogen molecule into forms like nitrates and nitrites, which can be taken up and used to make the required molecules. These nitrogen-fixing bacteria may be free-living or be associated with some species of dicot plants in the roots of legumes, generally the plants which give us pulses in special structures called root nodules. Other than these bacteria, the only other manner in which the nitrogen molecule is converted to nitrates and nitrites is by lightning. During lightning, the high temperatures and pressures created in the air convert nitrogen into oxides of nitrogen, which dissolve in water to give nitric and nitrous acids and fall on land along with rain. These are then utilized by various life forms. Plants generally take up nitrates and nitrites and convert them into amino acids, which are used to make proteins. Some other biochemical pathways are used to make the other complex compounds containing nitrogen. These proteins and other complex compounds are subsequently consumed by animals. Once the animal or the plant dies, other bacteria in the soil convert the various compounds of nitrogen back into nitrates and nitrites. A different type of bacteria converts the nitrates and nitrites into elemental nitrogen. Thus, there is a nitrogen cycle in nature in which nitrogen passes from its elemental form in the atmosphere into simple molecules in the soil and water, which get converted to more complex molecules in living beings and back again to the simple nitrogen molecule in the atmosphere.